Hey guys, welcome back. It's your girl Katie here, and today's video is going to be an unboxing and trying on of January's Boxycharm base box. Now this is the $25 a month box. So you guys know how I do these videos. I will do an unboxing part first, and then after that I will try on the makeup products that are in this box. But before we get on into this video, you guys know the drill. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. But other than that, I'm just going to go ahead and get started. Alright, so I did take a sneak peek just to know what not to put on. Alright, so first up is, of course, the card. Here's the card this month, very nice. So I'm guessing the theme is New Year's because it says fresh start. So that's something, you know, for New Year's, fresh start to the year. Alright, so there's only 2 makeup products in here this time, so the rest of it, it's pretty skincare heavy this time. So first up is the product that I chose. I kind of regret picking this. I don't know what I was thinking, but anyways, this is by Avant, and this is the Hyaluronic Marigold. Oh my gosh, that's a really long title. So so it's a hyaluronic acid rejuvenating micellar water. Maybe I don't regret this. All right, so it says shake well before using. So I think it's a makeup remover. It's a makeup remover, but it has hyaluronic acid in it, which is pretty nice. So I wish it was a glass bottle. It is not. It's a plastic bottle, but it is a very pretty blue shade. So this can't be cheap because I know this brand is expensive. They should have put this in a glass bottle for how much they're charging for this. They say the retail value for this is $90. Yeah, this should be in a very bougie looking glass bottle for $90, not just this little plastic. I don't know, it feels cheap. I mean, for that price, I would consider this cheap packaging. So this stuff must be amazing, or it better be amazing for that price. I never understand prices for skincare. $90 for micellar water. Micellar water. I'm probably saying that wrong, but that's ridiculous. Okay. I kind of wish I had picked the Pure, I think it was a tinted foundation or something, just to try it, but now that I know the price and everything on this, I mean, I'm going to try this out and see if it's worth it. Alright, so $90 for that. So that's already well over what I paid for the box. The value of that product is way more than I paid for the box. Alright, so another skincare product is by Pharmacy, and this is the Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. So there's that. See, this is, I don't know if that's glass. Is that glass or plastic? I don't know. It feels kind of glass to me, but anyways, very nice looking moisturizer. It says it's oil-free gel. Oh, I don't really like the gel ones. If this is a gel one, I don't really care for the gel moisturizers, but very nice, pretty like green color. I won't be trying this out. I have way too many moisturizers that I need to use up, so not using this right now. But the retail value on this is $38. It's still pretty pricey in my opinion, but at least it's in a nice kind of glass. I don't know if it's like a really hard plastic or a glass container. It didn't really make the clanky noise, but it feels like glass. Anyways, last skincare product in here is by Apple and Boehm. No. What is the brand? Okay, so it's called Seraphina Botanicals. Okay, so that's the brand name. But it's this, what are you? A glow lip mask. So it's basically like a chapstick or a lip tint, because it says on the back here that you can use it before bedtime and just leave it on the lips, or you can also use it during the day as a tinted lip gloss, or lip glow is what it says. So I've never heard of this brand. Very nice packaging. I like the little fruits and things on it. But this retails for $25. I mean, that's quite a bit for like a lip chapstick, which I'm guessing that's what this kind of is. It's a lip mask, chapstick. What's the difference? You leave it on your lips all day. I mean, I've never heard of this brand, so I'm excited to try it out. I mean, my lips have been really dry, so maybe this will do some wonders for my lips. Looks like it's got a lot of nice things in it. Or, I mean, it's vegan, no mineral oil, no gluten, with shea butter, which is supposed to be good. So a lot of good things. So excited to try this out. Alright, and then 2 products that are left are makeup, which I'm pretty excited about. Man, my box has been like beat up. Anyways, so the thing I'm most excited about is this Violet Voss palette. So this is the I'll Live You Forever. Violet Voss is a really nice brand. I've received several Violet Vosses, or at least not several, but at least 2 or 3 from Boxycharm, and their palettes are really good quality in my opinion. I mean, I haven't tried this one, so I'm assuming it is, but alright, so here's what the palette looks like. Very neutral, kind of very pretty colors. Has some neutrals, but does have some greens in there, which is nice. It does have a mirror in there, which is nice if you were to take this on the go. So this retails for $34, which doesn't surprise me. Although it is a pretty, you know, how many pans is it? It's a 12-pan shadow, so that's pretty expensive for only 12 pans, but Violet Voss is a pretty pricey brand, so it doesn't really surprise me. So I'm excited to try that today. Alright, and then last but not least is by Trust Fund Beauty, and this is a Lipgasm. It's a lip gloss. And this lip gloss retails for $18. It's not my favorite shade. I mean, it's a bit bright, but it is a lip gloss, so maybe it won't be so bright on the lips. Anyways, it looks nice. I can't really say that I'm like super excited, but I mean, I haven't ever tried anything from this brand, so maybe I'll like it a lot. Alright, so that's everything in the box. So now I'm just going to tally up the price and then tell you guys what the overall value of the box was, and then after that I will do the trying on part. Alright, so the overall value for my box was $205. That's a lot. I mean, considering I only paid $25 for it and the overall value is $205, it's pretty good. I mean, yeah, the one product is $90, so that makes up probably a majority of the price, but I still feel like I did get my money's worth so far. Alright, so now let's go ahead and get on into the trying on part now. Alright, so this part shouldn't take too long. I mean, I only have 2 products to try out today, so let me go ahead and zoom you guys in. That's good. Alright, my foundation is not working today. I used the Milk Makeup and it made my skin look so dry, so pardon that. I just didn't feel like wiping it off and reapplying a different one. Alright, so going in with the palette first. Alright, so I'm going to go in with the shade Infatuated first and just kind of use that. Actually, should I go in with something lighter? Maybe I'll go into Wishful instead. That one's a bit of a lighter, like more of a transition shade, so I changed my mind. I'm going into Wishful first, and I'm just going to use that to buff it out all over my lid to kind of act as my transition shade. See, look at that, just super pigmented. There is a little bit of kick up, not much. My dog has now entered the room, so you may hear pitter pattering because he has a stick in his mouth, and when I say stick, I give him like those little sticks to chew on. It's supposed to help with plaque buildup on their teeth and things. Anyways, he likes to bury them around the house, which means hide them under things. Whether it be a blanket on the floor or someone left their shirt on the floor, he will use that to bury it and hide it. I don't really know why he does that, but that's what he's doing currently. So yeah, it's pretty pigmented and it's blending out pretty nicely. Alright, so transition shade is on. That actually turned out a lot darker than I thought it was going to be. I mean, it doesn't look bad and I don't dislike it. It's just, it looked a lot lighter in the pan maybe? I don't know, maybe it didn't. Anyway, so now I think I'm going to go into Infatuated now. This color over here, and just kind of place that kind of on my lid. Hope this one's not really dark. still really pigmented and it's blending out just fine. I feel like those two shades looked very similar, maybe not. So I think I'm going to go into Endless Desire, which is kind of this reddish brown, and kind of put that more like on, just on the lid. Not so much in the crease, but just on the lid part. Ooh, that one had some fallout. This one definitely has a lot of kick up. Alright, now that that's on, it's looking pretty dark. Gonna go into Charmed now, and I'm going to just deepen up the outer corner. I may go into the black because I'm not sure if this brown will really show much because it is already pretty. Yeah, it's not really showing that well, so I'm gonna go into the black shade here, which is Infinity, and just use that one instead. I was afraid of that. I was afraid it would be already too dark for the dark brown to show. Alright, so now I'm ready for the shimmer. So I think I'm going to use this one over here, Olive Glow. I'll probably use all three of these shimmer shades, the green ones. So I'm going to go in first with Olive Glow and kind of put that more over here because it is more of a darker shimmer. Alright, now I'm gonna go into Olive Me. It's more of like a medium. It's not super dark, but it's not very light either. So it's like a medium. Alright, and then last shimmer shade I'm gonna put on is this Olive You. Is that a silver? I don't think so. It's like a very light green. I'm just putting that more into the center. Alright, so I think that's basically all I'm going to do for eyeshadow. I mean, I'm going to go ahead and finish out my bottom lash line and put mascara and everything on since I don't have anything new to try in that category. I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera, and then I will be back to try out the lips, which maybe I should have thought out what I was doing because I forgot about the lip gloss and what shade it is. I may put a lip liner on and then just apply this that way. It doesn't look too crazy. But yeah, let me go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup off camera. Alright, so rest of the face is all finished. I can't tell if I like it or not. I think I made the eye look a little too dark. And now I really have a big contrast between like dark eyes and then pale face. I tried adding more blush to like try to bring some life back in my face, but I don't know if it helped. Anyways, so last product I'm going to try out is the lip gloss by Trust Fund Beauty, and this is in the shade Unprofessional. And from what I could tell, I watched the unboxing of Boxycharm's box on their channel, and it looks like there was only one shade, so this is the only shade that everyone got. And if you got this lip gloss, at least I think that's what I saw. If you got a different shade, let me know down in the comments, but I really hope this is not super pink. I mean, it feels really nice on the lips, but it is kind of like shearing out, so it's not super pigmented. I mean, I think if I didn't have this lip shade underneath, I've just picked a ColourPop lip pencil. I bet I could get this to be pinkish, but it feels really nice on the lips. I mean, yeah, it feels really hydrating. It looks to be a nice gloss. But yeah, that is it. That is going to do it for today. So let me kind of do like an overview of what I thought of the products. Alright, so talking about the skincare, I feel like it was really skincare heavy this month, and that probably has to do with my choice. I did pick a skincare item, but I didn't know I was gonna get 2 other skincare products. I think the price on this sounds, this product, it sounds way overpriced. I mean, I don't know, maybe it's really good micellar water, but that $90 is just a lot. But I am glad to have it to try it out. I feel like we get a ton of moisturizers, so I'm not really thrilled to get one because I have a big basket of just moisturizers from previous boxes, because it seems like Boxycharm is always giving out moisturizers in their boxes. It's not uncommon to receive a moisturizer in your box. At least from my boxes, that is a pretty common factor. I wish they'd send more toners, maybe some more cleansers, things like that, just not just moisturizers. But I mean, I have it, so I'll use it. Pharmacy is a good brand, so you know, it's not really anything. I'm just kind of being picky. It's kind of interesting getting a lip mask. I hope it's not something we receive a lot of, but I will use this one. Although I wouldn't really say this is a lip mask because you just wear it like a chapstick. So I'm going to call it a chapstick even though it says lip mask. It's nice to get. I don't know. It's just an okay product. The palette I do like. I think the only thing I think I had issues with was maybe the shimmers. I feel like the shimmers are a little bit on the dry side. And I was having a lot of fallout from the shimmers. Like there was just shimmer all over my face and I had to wipe it off. But the mattes are really good. It's just the shimmers are okay. I'll play around with it more and see if it's consistent like that. Maybe, I don't know. They just look really dry. So not mad about getting it though. And then last is the lip gloss. I don't really have anything against it, and I can't say that I'm like thrilled to get it, but it's a makeup product, so I appreciate getting makeup, and I don't have a lot of glosses, so it's always nice to get one every now and then. And like I said, it feels really nice on the lips. I'm glad that it wasn't really, really pink, because that would have been a bit crazy. So it's not as crazy pink as it is in the bottle. But overall, I feel like this was an okay box. I really don't hate it, but I don't really excited, I guess. I don't know. It's a good box, I guess. I'm just being overly critical. But definitely did get my money's worth. I don't feel like I got ripped off or anything, so overall, it's a good box, just not my favorite. How about that? That sounds better. But yeah, I almost forgot. Whoa, that's a weird variation. I don't know what that means. Okay, I was gonna tell you what variation I got, but look at the number. Can you guys see the number? Like, usually it's like variation 9, variation 20, but now it's like C21011029BA. Whatever that means. So that's what variation I got. But yeah, that is going to do it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like seeing these types of videos. And also, I don't know why people have been disliking my videos lately. Like, if you don't like something, just tell me down in the comments. You don't have to dislike my video. But anyways, and also let me know down in the comments if you got Boxycharm. Did we get the same box, or did you get something totally different? Let me know down below. I love chatting with you guys down there. But other than that, guys, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!